everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed and styled this wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. This wig is from Nadula hair. I received a 24-inch 13x4 Auburn lace front wig, and I will have all the information down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check them out. So here I'm showing you how everything looked when I received it, and I'm also inserting some photos I took of the wig outside. I wanted you all to see how the hair color looked in natural lighting. So here I'm showing you the hairline, and as you can see, I didn't have to do any plucking or anything like that. Okay, so now I'm about to apply the wig, and as you can see, I didn't do the ball cap method this time. And I'm also showing you that I added some foundation to the inside. So after adjusting the wig to my liking, I'm cutting off the extra lace by my ears. So today I'm using my Extreme Hold Lace Glue. I'm showing you everything I use to prep my skin. So to clean the area, I use Sea Breeze. And then after that, I sprayed my skin protector. And then after that, I applied my lace glue. So all I'm doing is applying one layer going across, and then I'm taking my popsicle stick and I'm smoothing it out. And then once that layer dries clear, I'm applying another layer, and I'm going to repeat the same steps. Also, I have been seeing a lot of comments asking, what happened to my edges, why I have no hair, and I forget that a lot of you don't know, my story. So I will have a card at the top right of the screen, so you can go ahead and click it. I made a video explaining to you all what happened. So no, it's not from lace glue. I've been like this for a long time. I actually shave it all off a lot, and like my little strings will grow right back. So I have sensitive skin, and I tried different lace glues in the past, but they would break me out so bad. So I had to find a factory that would work with me to figure out a formula that don't break me out, and that also, hit a strong hold. So yeah. Okay, so after my last layer turned clear, I'm applying the wig. And then I'm taking a comb and I'm pressing everything in. Then I'm taking my melting band and I'm applying it for like 10 minutes to make sure everything is nice and melted. So after that, I'm taking out some baby hair. So this is how everything looked once I did my baby hair off camera. And before I filmed this video, I did add some curls to this unit. So I want to refresh the curls in the front area. So I'm just showing you how I did that. And this is the final look. Look how cute these curls are. I wanted something loose, not too tight. And I'm really loving this color. They did a good job with this color. So yeah, so I will have all the information down below. All the products I use will be in the description bar. And also, don't forget to check out Nadula hair because they're having a sale right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye-bye.